In a tempestuous storm, Lightning Hunter, a fierce warrior harnessing the power of electric storms, faced the Earth Elementalist, who commanded the very ground beneath them. The battlefield was alive with crackling energy as the hunter, with his speed and agility, darted through sheets of rain, unleashing bolts of lightning. The Elementalist countered by drawing up massive stone barriers and causing tremors, attempting to disrupt the hunter's movements. Just as the Elementalist summoned a colossal boulder, the hunter tapped into a surge of energy, unleashing a devastating lightning strike. The explosion shook the earth, overwhelming the Elementalist, who stumbled amidst the chaos. With one final bolt, Lightning Hunter claimed victory.